Okay, we start by loosening up these two hose clamps and these two hose connections over here. So you pull this off, push this pin this way, and you wiggle it off. There. There's 4 bolts that secure this assembly onto the water pump. So we'll remove these 4 bolts and then try to move this whole assembly away from the water pump. We'll do this without disconnecting the hoses. Now we'll try to remove it, loosen up with the pry bar. There. Now we'll take the bungee cord and hold this away from the water pump. Alright, we're taking this bungee cord and just keeping this upper coolant assembly away from the water pump. Here we go. Now we'll remove the accessory belt. That looks like a 15mm bolt here. By moving it counterclockwise, we'll relieve the tension off the belt. Now we remove these 10mm bolts to disconnect the pulley. We're going to have to secure the pulley from moving with a chain strap wrench. Okay, and we can take the strap off. So now we're going to be removing these 8mm bolts around the perimeter of the water pump. We'll take a wire brush and clean up the connection points for the new gasket. We'll use a little dielectric grease and lubricate the outside of this new O-ring in the water pump so it slides on without any hang-ups. You want to spread out the tension on all the bolts evenly. Then you apply the torque with 1/4-inch socket wrench. The reason why I'm using a 1/4-inch socket wrench instead of a 3/8 is you don't want to run the risk of shearing bolts off by applying too much torque. So with basically hand strength, you'll know the maximum amount of torque that you could put on if you're just not moving anymore. It's just going to bottom out. We'll put a little dielectric grease as a lubricant on the O-ring. For this O-ring, we'll just apply a little bit of RTV around the perimeter to ensure it won't leak.